bottom, reach and set up. Use your inboard leg and raise the torso. Power it up.
Okay, I'm going to go on the front ones now, Micah. Yep. Okay, all good.
Okay guys, Shirley, more raising of the torso. Forward and up, rise up. Work with Joe. Bella and Karen, work together. Front four, you're pretty well spot on, looking good. More sit up, Shirley. I need you to rise up the torso. More leg drive off the inboard leg. Reach long, drop on the blade and sit up.
Okay, I'm going to the back again. I got him.
Shirley, spend a little bit more time under that water. You're coming out a little bit early. Drive down that top hand and keep it buried all the way through. Nice work, girls. A little bit more reach, Nevada. Reach out longer. Get right up behind Carly or Brooke. Yeah,
Okay.
pull up. Let's go.